So when you're building a race car, you want it as light as possible, right? Stating the obvious. Sound deadening, sound insulation. All manufacturers put this. This prevents your road car from sounding like a bucket of balls. This can be heavy. On a normal modern car, this can be up to 15 kilograms. What is this stuff? Well, this stuff is basically butane mixed, whatever, really thick layer. It's very difficult to remove it, and I've seen a lot of people asking, how do you remove it? What's the best way? In the past, what I've done, I used dry ice, and then you just knock it all off. It seems to be working well, but it's a little bit more expensive because you have to buy dry ice. And today I want to show you a really good method. This may seem straightforward and obvious to you, but what you need a heat gun, a really powerful heat gun that can go up to 650 degrees. Then you heat your material up really nice. It needs to be really hot. And while applying extra heat, you can just take it off in chunks like that. There are two different tools you can use. You can use one of those spatulas. A really good one is to use just a normal wooden spatula if you are afraid to scratch the surface. I haven't managed to scratch anything, so I've been using both. Or you can actually resort to buying an expensive, properly designed kit for this, but I think they would work pretty much the same. And then all you have to do is you have to spray it with tire remover. This is the one I sprayed earlier. It's been about 10 minutes. And then you simply wipe off. So the tire remover I'm using here is Gosling Special. You're gonna have to find one that works for you. All adhesives are slightly different, so some may work better than others. Anyways, this is the easy way to remove 15 kilos from your car. Don't use dry ice, use heat gun, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. That's a good one!